Okay, we're back. I was just checking the percent of it, that's all. Okay. Woo!
Yeah, baby.
Fountains are fun! Here's more of the flashing lights. Some more fireworks to go. But it's a party. It's fun to have a party. Are you guys still enjoying the show? Oh yeah, it was really fun. Oh yeah, man. I agree. Definitely agree. I am a bit tired, but it's still fun. Oh yeah, very, very, very fun. Spider, get away from me! Sorry about that. There's a spider on my sibling, so I got rid of it. Oh my gosh! This is beautiful. Oh, okay, dokie. Oh, that beautiful song. I might have to back off on this one. Flying everywhere. Okay, is it over or still going? Yeah, I think it's done. Oh, flashing light one, jeez. Oh dear, there's still more to go, dang. Woo! Oh. More fountains are super fun. More fountains are super duper fun. More fountains are really, really fun. Okay, I don't know what kind of song I made up, but it's really funny how I made it up. But this fountain's really cool, though. Wow! Oh, goodness. All the flashing lights. Okay. Before I head in real quick, I just want to see this real quick. Because I am not missing that part of this. Okay. Put 4 fountains at the same time. Goodness. Wow! Oh, wow.
I'm not sure which one was
Wow.
which at that point.
Yeah. Okay. This one's still going? Jeez. Okay. Oh, yo, baby. This one's still going. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Keeps on going, baby. Whoa. Okay, I think it's over. Whoa! Okay. Luckily I didn't miss this one.
There goes the soul.
Ah! Okay, I see a moth over there. I don't know if you guys couldn't see it, but it's there. Whoa. Oh, this is beautiful.
Wow, the mad dog out walking. It really is for what you pay, you know.
That was awesome. More screeching? Okay, that's cool. Okay, how you guys doing? We're doing good still. Yeah, I agree.
Those are glow.
Yeah, I was feeling a little bit tired. Okay, hold tight, okay? Okay. Still flashing from the wall. From over there. Whoa!
Oh, wow.
Awesome!
That is pretty cool.
Oh, that's like a.
It's kind of hard to see, but it's beautiful.
See how it's growing?
Is it
Wow.
over or is it still going? I don't know what's going on. Jeez. Okay, that's Mar from the light over there. Whoa, okay, that's awesome. Sparkler party. More sparklers. Sparklers everywhere. Whoa, this balloon
I want one.
glow. This is awesome. I turn off the lights and look at this. These are beautiful. Whoa. I love these.
What?
Hey guys, look. Okay, this is awesome. It glows. And there's more. Okay, I love these glowing balloons. They're awesome.
I got him a ball.
Here's more of the special sparklers. They're really beautiful. Spread it like that. It's really cool. We'll be back soon. Close it out real quick. I love these glow in dark balloons. They're really awesome.